Hey friends, happy Saturday. Welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let's go ahead and tackle our messes together as I tackle and declutter the play area. I am going to be throwing away a ton of stuff. I'm also going to be replacing this TV stand, organizer, book thing, and I'm going to be replacing it with a new dresser that I'll be building in today's video to put things in. This has been long overdue, but so happy that I'm getting it done now because we have more birthdays coming up. Christmas is almost here, so we gotta make room for future toys. So this needed to be done and I am so happy with the results. Please do consider subscribing if you are new here and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content and want to see more content like this. Also leave me a comment down below. Everything included in today's video will be linked in my Amazon storefront. You can find that linked in my bio or in my description box. Alright, let's go ahead and tackle our messes together, guys. Guys, so I'm gonna show you what the kitchen is looking like and I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up emptying all the bins and dumping everything on the floor. So we saw the bins and then declutter and throw away some toys, but I'm going to have to get these things out of the way and put them over here so I can have some space to work with. So let me show you.
I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Okay guys, at this point I was literally overwhelmed, so I had to call in reinforcement and get the girls to help because I was confused. At this point I didn't know what to throw away, what not to throw away, so I asked them to help me sort through to see what they would like or what they wanted to keep and what they didn't want to keep anymore. So that's what we're doing here, and it was still kind of frustrating because at one point my oldest was willing to throw away a lot of stuff and my youngest was like no, she wanted to keep majority of the stuff. So then I got to kick them out and then went on doing it myself. But this was way more than I bargained for because I knew it was gonna be a lot, but at this point it was like I was drowning in toys.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.
because I thought I was going to keep them, but I ended up throwing all the magazines away. I regret it because I really do like them and I really do enjoy reading Better Homes and Garden magazine, but they were taking up too much space and I really didn't read them as much as I should. Once I receive them, I read them the first time and then I never go back to them, so I just decided to just ended up throwing them all away.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. Wish I knew.
So at this point I had to do a lot of this off camera because it was either that my battery was either gonna die or I wasn't gonna have no space to finish filming the video, so I had to stop, pause the camera and do a lot of the bins off camera. So you'll see a lot of missing clips, but it's not missing clips. I honestly had to just stop because it literally took me 2 hours just to do these bins, all those little fine toys and things. I was just so stressed out and this was really tedious and time consuming.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Okay guys, so I had to pause and I sorted out a couple of things because there's a lot. So I got the letters over there, clothes, pencil crayons, hangers. These are food stuff, and then these are the stuff that left in there that I'm going to throw in the trash. And then over here, so I'm going to throw these in the trash, empty the bin so I can put these things in there. I'm trying to separate the things. So here I have animals, I have small dolls, I have outdoor stuff, musical items, stuffed animals. Here I have all the dolls' shoes, their hair items, blocks, building blocks. That's what I'm trying to do, to just separate them, and hopefully they keep it that way. I know it's not gonna be that way because now it's after 12. I've been cleaning for over 2 hours now. Over 2-3 hours now, and I'm nowhere near. So I'm probably gonna be doing this throughout the remaining of the morning. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to make this a 2-part video because I didn't want the video to be too long. So stay tuned next week for part 2 as we finish tackling this. And I absolutely love the transformation, but as you already know, this has been done 2 weeks now, and I'm just gonna say it looks nothing like it did the night I finished it, because the girls have already completely dumping everything out the bins and they never put them back in the right places. So all my hard work just for nothing. I enjoyed it for the few 2 days that it lasted. So if you're enjoying the content, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to come back next week where I will finish up this area in part 2. Love y'all. Bye. And until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.